Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page number 17 of Qaida, and this is regarding Fathah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم B. Hamza is a very sharp sound in Fathah. How you say Fathah? You open your jaws to pronounce Fathah. But the sound is short over here. Ba. For Fathah, you're opening your jaws, and for Ba, you are just joining your lips and aparting them for Fathah. That's it. You are not bending your lips to pronounce Ba. You have to bring two lips together and give a little press and then let it go. Ba. But don't ever bend in your lips. Ta. That is a very sharp sound for Fathah. Open your jaws. Ta. The sound is short. Ta. You remember the makhraj, the articulation point of Ta. You touch your tip of your tongue and on the edge of your frontal two teeth. And for Fathah, you're opening your jaws. Tha, ja, ha, ha from your throat, kha from your throat, and open your jaws for Fathah. Da, the, ra, za. There should be a buzzing sound in za, za, z. This sound should be there. Za, s. The snaky sound should be, whistle sound should be there in sin, sa, sha, sha, sa. Sad is heavy. Sa, da. Dad is heavy too. Ta, ta is heavy, and the sound is short. The same way, the way you pronounce tha. Sorry. So tha, that, and the has the same makhraj. The, a from your throat. Gha, gha is heavy too. And for Fathah, open your jaws, the sound is short. Kha, gha, fa. For Fathah, open your jaws, and Fa has hums. The sound should flow. Fa, qa. The sound is short, but the letter is heavy. Qa, ka. Ka is light sound. For Fathah, open your jaws, the sound is short. Ka, la, ma. You are joining your lips together, but it should be soft. The makhraj of ba and mim is the same, but when you are joining your lips, for ba, it should be little hard, but for mim, you are joining your lips very softly. Ma, na. Na is short. Wa, short. For Fathah, open your jaws. Ha, a, ya. So let me remove my drawings. Hamza is a very sharp sound, and the sound for Fathah is short. Ma, ra, amara. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and it will take sifa off, tawassut at the end, because ra is among lin amar. When lin amar, lam, nun, ain, mim, ra gets sukoon, the sifa of tawassut will be applied. Ma, ra. But when you will give sukoon, you will apply waqf. You will give sukoon on ra, and ra will get sifa of tawassut. Amaru, ba short, la short, gha, balagha, ghain is heavy. So we will write capital H on it. Balagha. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon on ghain, and ghain will get sifa of rukhawa. The sound should flow. Balaghu, balaghu. It is heavy and it will have sifa of rukhawa. Ta. So touch your edge of your frontal two teeth with your tip of your tongue to pronounce sa. And for fatha, open your jaw. Sa, ma, short, ra. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, the sound of ra is heavy. Sa, ma, ra. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon on ra, and ra will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Tamaru. I'm not stopping ra abruptly, but I'm giving it a medium flow of sound. Tamaru. Ja. Ja is short. Ma short. A. Sign from your throat. Jama'a. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and ain will get sifa of tawassut because lin, amar are 5 letters. Whenever these letters are with sukoon, they get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. The sound shouldn't stop abruptly, but it should flow in a medium way. Ja, jama'a. Ha, ha is short. Ha from your throat. Sa has a whistle sound. Da, ha, sa, da. And how will you stop? You'll give sukoon on dal, and qutubu jaddin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, they get sifa of qalqala. And what is qalqala? Qalqala is when you close the makhraj very strongly, then you give a gap to give the qalqala sound. Hasad, and the is short, ka is short, and both are light. The ka, ra is heavy over here because whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, ra is heavy. So the ka ra. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon on ra, and it will get sifa of tawassut because lin, umar, lam, noon, ain, mim, ra are 5 letters. Whenever any of them gets sukoon, we have to apply sifa of tawassut. ذكروا. Ra is heavy. Fa, rafa'a. How will you stop? You will give sukoon on ain, and ain will get sifa of tawassut because this is one of the letters of lin umar. So lin umar, whenever any of these letters have sukoon, yet we have to apply sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. We cannot stop sound abruptly, but we have to give it a medium flow of sound. رفع. Z is short. Ain from your throat. Ma, za'ama. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and meme, whenever meme is with sukoon, because this is among lin umar, so it will get sifa of tawassut. Se, sin is short, ro short. Sarah, qaf is heavy, so we will write capital H on it. Sarah, how will you start? How will we start? We'll give sukoon on qaf, and qutubu jatin are the letters, and qaf is among them. So qutubu jatin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, we'll get sifa of qalqala. So saraqa, Sod is heavy, so we'll write capital H. Da is light, qa is heavy. We'll write capital H. Sadaqa. And how we will stop? We will give sukoon on qaf, and when it will get sukoon, it will get sifa of qalqala. Capital Q is the abbreviation for this qalqala, sifa of qalqala. Sadaqo. Dot is heavy, so we will write capital H. Ra is heavy over here because Ra has a fatha. So whenever Ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy, and heavy Ra sounds like Ra. Ra, ba. Ba is light and short. For fatha, open your jaws. When how will you stop? You will give sukoon on ba, and when qutubu jaddin, and ba is among them, this is ba. So whenever ba or qutubu jaddin, letters of qutubu jaddin has sukoon, it will get sifa of qalqala, and you will apply qalqala here. ضرب. Dha is heavy letter. La, short. Dha, la. Ma, dha is heavy. Lam is light. Mim is light. Dhalama. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. And lin, amar are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of the wasut. And the wasut is a medium flow of sound. You will not stop mim abruptly, but you will give a medium flow of sound. Listen how I do it. Walam. This sound is tawassut. Ain from your throat. Da, light. La, light. Adala. Ain is also light. How will you stop? You will give sukoon on lam, and lin umar are the letters, and lam is amongst them. Whenever lin umar letters are with sukoon, we'll get sifa of the wasut. The wasut is a medium flow of sound. You will not stop lam abruptly, but give it a you will give it a medium flow of sound. Yes. Adal. Qa is heavy. Ma, short. Ra is heavy because ra is with fatha. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is a heavy ra, and it should sound like ra. Qa, ma, ra. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon on ra, and ra will get sifa of the wasut because lin umar are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of the wasut, and the wasut is a medium flow sound. Qamaru. Ka, ka is light. Sa is short and light. Ba is short and light. Kasaba. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon on ba, and qutu wujadin are the 5 letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, they will get sifa of qalqala. So you will apply sifa of qalqala here when you will give sukoon on ba. Kasabe. Wa. Circle your lips for wow. Don't ever use your upper 2 teeth to touch your lower lip to pronounce wow. This is a wrong way. You just have to circle your lips. Just circle your lips to pronounce wow. And for fatha, open your jaws. Wa, ja, da, wa, ja, da. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon on dal. And qutubu jaddin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of qalqala. Wajadin. So you will apply qalqala on dal. A, sharp and short sound. Ha from your throat. Da, ahada. And how will you stop? You will give sifa of qalqala here because qutubu jaddin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of qalqala. And now ahad. Ain from your throat. Sha, ra is heavy. Ashara, because ra is with fatha, so this should be heavy. Ashara. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. And linumar the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. You will not stop the sound of ra abruptly for sukoon, but give a medium flow of sound. Asharu. Kha is heavy. Ra is heavy here because it is with fatha. Whenever ra is with fatha, dhamma, it will be heavy. Kha, ra, ja, ja is light. Kharaja, and how will you stop? You will give sukoon on jim, and whenever hutubujatin are the letters, whenever these are with sukoon, will get sifa of qalqala. Kharaja. Ba is light. A from your throat. Tha is short. Ba'atha. How will you stop? You will give sukoon on the last letter, and tha is among letters which will get rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. Like it should have a nice flow of sound. The sound shouldn't stop here. Ba'ath. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.